The problem with Kenya is because everybody is stealing everything that is owned by poor people. And you think the poor people have nothing they can do. They will try and elect Matiang'i. If you steal the votes, they will come themselves to look for you. They will come. Because we are sick and tired of having a country where we do not care about our poor. We don't care about our most vulnerable. We don't care about people with disability. We don't care about school fees for children who are supposed to get bursaries. All your leaders at the national government, look at what was in the paper today. Wanaiba pesa ya bursary, wanachukua pesa naeka mfukoni. And my suggestion would be, Your Excellency, if you become president, and I know you are going to become president, I hope that you will change our country. Finally, stick together with the team of the opposition leaders. Stick together with Safuna. Stick together with Babu Owino. Stick together with Wamunyoro. Stick together with Kalonzo. Stick together with Justin Muturi. And after that, sir, you can also stick together with me.